What's up, YouTubers? Sneakers in the Fox. I got a brand new pickup that finally came in. I know if you follow me on Instagram, I've been talking about these for a while, and I finally got them. These are the Puma Clyde's suits. This is the solar power colorway. And I really like this. Is animal print, and I know animal print has been really popular right now. You got the Air Max that just dropped the animal pack, and so this is just real dope. And these actually came out back in 2016. Had to definitely cop them. Haven't tried them on, so just stay tuned for the on feet. Kind of like it, man. Got the gold ends on the laces. Got your nice cheetah print. And these suits, this is actually based on Walt Frazier, the Puma Clyde Frazier. Walt Clyde Frazier, NBA basketball star, is based off his suits. He had a cheetah suit that he wore broadcasting for the New York Knicks. So they made this shoe based off that suit he wore. And then there's also another one with a zebra print. I've been trying to find my size. Haven't been able to find my size in those. Once I find my size in those and get those, I'll definitely go ahead and do a review on those. And it's a zebra print, and that was because he had the zebra suits. So I'll go in and zoom in a little bit so you guys can take a good look at these. The material is just nice and dope. I really like the materials. And this is just a dope sneaker. I had my eye on this for a while, so I'm definitely happy to finally get these. I know usually they have that Puma logo back here, but I guess they don't have it on these. There you go. So stay tuned for my other videos. Make sure you like Instagram at Sneakers in the Fox, and stay tuned. More pickups on the way. Peace.
It's hip hop, you can bet that. Bet that. Zone 6, you can bet that. Bet that. 8 towns on the bet that. Yeah, nigga. Don't get the fucked up, you see us with them backpacks on, homeboy. Real lyrics right here. Enjoying the time, nigga, live your life, man. Live your life to the fullest, homeboy, cause it's so short. Nigga, we nothing but saying specs on the timeline. Do you, cause I'm doing mine. Sipping on fine wine. Bad Brazilian dimes. Yeah, nigga, you can bet that. Bet that. Yeah. You can bet that, homeboy.
Yeah, nigga.
Red Clay.
Yeah, man.
Real nigga to the grave, you can bet that. For the format flow, feel the impact. Sticking to the code, principles intact. The loud packer get you high off the contact. Don't get it twisted cause I rap with a backpack. Before you play a nigga, you gon' need Affleck. I'm never scared, Shawty, you ain't gotta ask that. It's Red Clay to the grave, nigga, bet that. 4 stacks just to get away 4 days. Me and my bitch laid up, soaking sun rays. On the beach, tank top with some white J's. Watch the sunset blowing on some purple haze. Tomorrow never promise, you can bet that. If I'ma do it big, Shawty, bet that. Red Clay to the grave, you can bet that. 8 towns on 6, it's a bet. Oh, bet that. Nigga, you can bet that. Bet that. Bet that. It's hip hop, you can bet that. Bet that. Zone 6, you can bet that. Bet that. 8 towns on the back that. The goons in position, but they don't bust a move unless the bread get permission. But the game been missing, talented and real, so I top a lot position. I was born on Thanksgiving, So when you see a nigga, know my presence is a blessing. Catch me tripping like a hippie in Biloxi, Mississippi at the Hard Rock, playing blackjack, getting tipsy. Good dick, baby, you can bet that. Forget about your weave, you gon' sweat that. Run a train on the ass, call it Amtrak. You a baby to the game with a similar. Tomorrow never promise, you can bet that. If I'ma do it big, shout it bet that. It's Red Clay to the grave, you can bet that. 8 towns on 6, it's a bet. I caught a glimpse of the future when y'all ain't back shit. Bunch of pre-K flow about your outfit. Not as deep as the butter get, but I'm an ocean with the flow. Even scholars gotta study it. A couple bottles of Guinness and I'm a menace with better blows. The foes until the click is diminished. So let's roll. Head time, nigga, what to do with I flow. Open my head and stroke on my words and die slow. Files verbatim, I they bait him to kill, bro. Kinetic, frenetic, energetic, lead aesthetic. When your boys have to set it like broken bones. The tallest he known for being dead wrong. Gone, I'm an addict who's still addict, causing havoc. They melodramatic, trembling panic. It's automatic, causing static. Whatever I spit, cataclysm, head on collision. It's a murderous shit. Oh, bet that, nigga, you can bet that. Bet that, it's hip hop, you can bet that. Bet that, zone 6, you can bet that. Bet that, 8 towns on the bet that. Yeah, nigga. Don't get the fuck like you see us with the backpacks on, homeboy. Real lyrics right here. Enjoying the time, nigga, live your life, man. Live your life to the fullest, homeboy, cause it's so short. Nigga, we nothing but saying specs on the timeline. So do you, cause I'm doing mine. Sipping on fine wine. Bad Brazilian dime.